First of all, when we speak about protecting the OT, we need to understand what do we have, what is critical for us, what is important for us within each and every industry. Like let's take an example of power industry. What is very critical for them, how to protect those assets. But if you don't know what is inside their plant or their industry, then it is really difficult to protect what has to be protected. So they need to list all the inventories that they are owning or having. It can be a service provider inventory, it can be their own inventory, but they need to list them everything in one way or other so that they have a clear picture of what they need to protect. So that collections of list of assets, devices is called an asset inventory.